Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny, and this is Creating Crafts with Jenny. And before I forget, I want to just say hit that subscribe button. It's right down there somewhere. Before I forget, because oftentimes I just get into these videos and I forget all about asking you guys to do that. I know I'm more interested in sharing information with you than I am asking for you guys to do something for me. I know. Okay, so as I mentioned in one of my other videos, and I will leave the link down below in regards to Chartek. Chartek is designed for adults and children, and it brings the world paint by number, or more like color by number, to people who are wanting to get into that sort of thing without it being paints and messy, that sort of thing. So I've been coloring on the cat, so I'm not quite ready to hit it with the blow dryer just yet. I wanted to wait till I was finished, so I will show you a picture. I'll put it over here. I think I've got some really good space over here of what it's looking like so far. And once I'm completely finished with the cat, and then I will do a video where I'm hitting it with the blow dryer. Because the blow dryer's designed to, once it hits with heat, that all of the numbers and the lines and that sort of thing are supposed to dissipate, and what you're left with is just the marker, just the markers, just the painting. So I'm anxious to see how that turns out. So I'm enjoying the cat. I'm looking down at it right now. So this video will probably go out here shortly, so there's a good possibility if I show it to you right now, it'll probably have more done on it than what it looks like currently today. So there's that. So here's some footage, so here you go. All right, so I hope you're enjoying me coloring in the cat. I know I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying the markers. It's kind of something different than picking up a paintbrush. So it's different, and I can see where if you were wanting to get kids or young adults interested in this concept of paint by number, that this is a good way to introduce it to them. So there's that. So, and I also will be doing some other videos here shortly, showcasing some other things that they have going on in regards to the website. So look forward to that. All right, so I'm going to get off here and do some other things. What I always tell you guys, go out there, be absolutely awesome, do your thing, and I'll see you in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.